Hello, this is Dr. Yates in Chicago, right in the middle of the United States. One of my favorite patients, Louis Roy, and I want you to look at his hair. You know, we're going to start forward and go backwards. You know, he has wonderful hair. You might be sitting here saying, "Why is Louis Roy seeing Dr. Yates?" Other than just coming in to chat. And the reason he's coming in today is because we're going to do a little work back here in the vertex. Okay. So we make a lot of videos, and the reason I make videos is because videos don't lie. You know, in the age of Photoshop and angles and, you know, turning this way and that way. And, you know, let me ask Louis something. Louis, do you know what fibers are?
Yes.
Okay, so you know what fibers are. Do you have any fibers in your hair now?
No.
Okay. Fibers, for anybody who doesn't know, fibers, it's kind of a camouflage product where you sprinkle in the hair and make the hair look a lot thicker. I think a lot of pictures now, people are using fibers here and there. And it's no big deal, but there should always be a little asterisk that said this patient has fibers in, so you can really tell what the hair looks like. Like, Louis, have you seen any of our videos before? Like
Yes.
what we do? You have? Yeah, he's seen them, so he knows what we do here. So it's really telling, because I'm going to show you some pictures of somebody that I used to know. And first I'm going to show the camera. This is somebody that I used to know, okay?
Me too.
You know this person better than me, and I'm going to show you this. Was that you?
That's me.
Is this you?
And that is me.
Okay. So what I want to show is he's had 2 procedures. I'm going to say maybe we have 3,000 grafts on his head now, mainly in the front and through the mid-scalp, okay? During the back, a lot of people come in, they say, I want it all done. But as we know, supply and demand, sometimes you cannot do it all. So what you want to concentrate on the frame of the face. And you can see his face is framed well. If I saw him on the street, I would not think he had a hair transplant, because naturalness trumps density. A lot of guys just say, I just want some hair up there. But what they don't think about is it has to look right. And it's an art to doing this correctly. So Louis, do you think your life has changed any since you got hair, or you think you were cool anyway, but are you cooler now?
No, yeah, of course.
Of course it's cooler now.
But it's an issue of confidence and feeling good about yourself.
Mm-hmm.
You know, and with what I do, I'm in sales. I want to feel confident when I walk in the room, and this is really just about me than it is anything else. And it just gives me that confidence and making me feel better about myself.
You know what the young people call that? Just what you said. There's a word for that. It's called swag.
There you go.
All right. Louis has more swag. Okay. How have your sales gone? Have they gone up because of your hair?
I think so.
Okay. Where's my cut?
For a small service fee.
I was only kidding. But as you can see, and I'm going to do something that a lot of people would never do who had a hair transplant, because they got stuff in their hair and blah, blah, blah. Watch this. He's got a lot of resistance to the comb. Luckily, I work out. You know. Look at that. That is transplanted hair doing its thing. You know, no clean hand. It's like that, you know, that, I don't know what it was, one of those commercials where the guy wear the white glove and test for dirt, you know, and you test. I'm going to start wearing a white glove to just show you. So, and you can see we can comb his hair any way we want to, because we plant the hair in the direction that his hair grows. So some people say, well, what style should I do after I get hair? You do whatever style you want to. There are no limits to this. That's the good thing. So I think that Louis here looks very good. I like the way his hair is framed. That looks totally natural. He looks young. He's ready for Hollywood. Even though we're in Chicago, he's ready for Hollywood. So we're going to do a little work back here today. And Louis, you would recommend, just in general, guys who are on the fence about a hair transplant.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, stop being in denial. Like a lot of guys, and I was just at a conference this week, and there are a lot of guys in the audience that could have used a hair transplant. They're just in denial. They're like, I look okay, right, doc? That's not for me to answer. You know if you look okay or not. If you don't think you look okay, we can help you. But stop being chicken. There's nothing to be afraid of. Do something about it.
You bet.
So Louis agrees. He said, I concur, and I concur too. It's Dr. Yates in Chicago. Hopefully see you soon.